question number 8. A dome of building is in the form of hemisphere. From inside it was whitewashed at the cost of rupees 498.96 rupees. If the cost of whitewashing is rupees 2 per square meter, find number 1 inside surface area of the dome and number 2 volume of the air inside the dome. ओके नाउ डोम मीन्स ऐसे हेमिस्फेरिकल जो पोर्शन होता है जो बिल्डिंग्स के ऊपर वगैरह होता है, मंदिर वगैरह के ऊपर, दैट इज अ डोम. A dome of building is in the form of hemisphere, right? From inside it is whitewashed. इसको पूरा whitewash किया and the total cost of whitewashing is rupees 498.96. What is given? Cost of whitewashing. Okay, cost of whitewashing is equals to 498.96 rupees at the rate of rupees 2 per square meter. All right. Now, what is asked inside surface area? See, if surface area is given and the rate per square meter is given, how we used to calculate the cost of whitewashing? Of course by multiplying, right? अगर आपको inside surface area दिया होता और cost दिया होता तो हम उसे multiply करके हम cost of whitewashing निकाल लेते हैं. अब यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा reverse करना है. We need to find out what? We need to find out inside surface area of the dome and the total cost of whitewashing is given and the rate per meter is also given. So if I divide it, that is reverse process, 498.96 divided by the rate which is equal to 2, I'll get the inside surface area of the dome, isn't it? So let's divide. This is 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, remaining 1, 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8 and 2 8s are 16. So inside surface area of the dome is 249.48 meter. Alright, square. What is the second question? Volume. We need to find out volume of hemisphere. So what is the formula? Volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube, means radius is needed, which is not given. But inside surface area हमें पता है hemisphere का. So by applying that formula, like a previous question की तरह ही, we can get radius, right? Now, so surface area of hemisphere. What is the formula? Surface area of hemisphere, it is 2 pi r square. Now 249.48. This is 2. The value of pi 22 by 7 into r square. Now let's reduce first. नहीं, पहले हम लोग इसको transpose कर देते हैं and then we'll reduce. This 2 will become 1 by 2. 22 by 7 will become 7 upon 22 is equal to r square. Now let's remove the decimal also. यहाँ किसके हम decimals भी remove कर देते हैं. So it will become 24948 upon 100. Here we have a decimal after 2 digits. So place 2 decimal in denominator. Into 7 by 22 equal to r square. So let's cancel by the table of 11 first. 11 2s are 22. 11 2s are 22. Now 11 again 2s are 22. Now 7. Then 11 6s are 66. And then 11 8s are. Then we can again cancel it by the table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. Now again we can cancel it by the table of 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12 and 2 7s are 14. That's it. 567 multiplied by 7 upon 100 is equal to r square. Then the product of 567 and 7 is 3969 upon 100 equal to r square. So the square root of 3969 upon 100 is equal to r. So what is the radius? It is, let's find by the division method. इसका यहीं पर निकाल लेते हैं हम लोग. Square root 3969 by division method. 6 6 are 36. Now this is 12 और यहाँ subtract करके 3 आएगा. Take the next pair. It become 369. It is 3s are. Okay, so it is 63 upon 10 equals to r. That is r is equal to, you can write 6.3 is equal to r. Okay, so this is the radius. Now after getting the radius, let's calculate the volume. Okay, now volume of hemisphere. So volume of hemisphere is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now 2 by 3 pi and radius. Instead of writing 6.3, it's better to write 63 upon 10 into 63 upon 10 into 63 upon 10. इससे ज़्यादा easy होता है. So 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, then 7 9s are 63. So this is 22 2s are 44, then 21 9s are 189 multiplied by 63 and divided by 1000. 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, it is 1000. Now after this, the product of 44 and 189 is 8316 multiplied by 63 divided by 1000. The product of 8316 and 63 is 523908 upon 1000. Now place the decimal after 3 digits. So it will become 523.908 centimeter cube.